I genuinely have so many opinions about this particular book because I kid you not, while I was reading this book, I was like, throughout the book. Because who does that? I mean, you've got everything, then randomly one night you shoot your husband 5 times and then go silent through all, like forever. Are you kidding me? And okay, but like you are not even justifying your actions. You're like, dude, मैं किसी से बात ही नहीं करूंगी. Ha ha, क्या उखाड़ को? I mean, are you for real? So anyway, but a quick disclaimer before you move ahead. This video will have some sort of spoilers, so I would suggest you to go read the book first and then watch this video. Yeah, I'll vote for you. So yeah, pretty much that. So let's dive into this. On the surface, Alicia is the it girl. Literally, I tell you why. Because that woman has successful career, handsome husband, and money. Dude, she has money. She's beautiful. On top of that, she's an artist. Okay? She's basically a girl. She's basically a woman every girl wants to be when she grows up, right? And randomly, on a night, she shoots her husband 5 times and decides to go side. Okay? Okay, cool. ठीक है. But she's not even justifying her action. She's like, मार डाला, so what? मेरा husband था, मैंने मार डाला, so what? On the other hand, we have our Bob the Builder who thinks Alicia को fix करना उसकी life है. I mean, are you kidding me? What the hell? Like, जाके पहले अपने life fix कर. He is a liar. उसके life में अलग ही तंटे चल गए हैं, ठीक है? And for him, it's just like he's so obsessed that उसको अलीशा को fix करना है. उसको लगता है if अलीशा fix हो गई तो उसके life के जितने भी problems है सब fix हो जाएंगे. Okay, and to be very honest, that's a red flag because dude, पहले अपनी life fix कर. What kind of therapist are you? Like therapist? He was a therapist, right? So like मेरे को तो seriously I feel like it's Theo who needs therapy, not Alicia. You know why? Because Alicia at least she's truthful. She's holding her truth. उसने बोल दिया भाई मैंने मार दिया अब मेरे को किसी से बात नहीं करनी कोई भी उस लेवल का ही नहीं है जिससे मैं बात करूं ठीक है एंड यहाँ पे ये वॉक द बिल्डर आई मीन थियो ही इज लाइक भाई नहीं मैं तो तेरे से बुलवा के रहूंगा ये ही मेरे एजेंडा है मेरे जीवन का मकसद है कि मैं अलीशा को बुलवाऊंगा ओके सी jokes apart but I get it that Alicia is a killer. She's not the innocent one. But to be very honest, at least she's holding her truth. She is not denying that उसने अपने पति को मारा है. ठीक है? She is not doing that. She is like मार डाला. ना justify कर रही है, ना ड्रामा कर रही है, ना छुपा रही है, कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है. ठीक है? She is not doing anything. But on the other hand, Theo is just living two lives. That's what I feel. ठीक है उसका पर्सनल लाइफ में कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है ऑन दी अदर हैंड ऑन हिज प्रोफेशनल लाइफ इट्स काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट नाउ यू वुड से कि ऑफ कोर्स दोनों लाइफ अलग ही रखनी होती है ठीक है लाइफ अलग रखनी होती है पर्सनालिटी अलग नहीं रखनी होती है दोनों में राइट so that's what I don't like because I see in my opinion people who talks a lot or like that all the time they just hide behind words. उनका दिमाग है ऐसे you know they just hide behind lies in my opinion. And whereas Alicia is at least truthful, she's like मेरे को कुछ justify नहीं, right? And that's what I like. Even though she is a killer and everything, to be very honest, she has this reason to kill her husband, right? I get that. Um, any your opinions, like in the comment, like agree, disagree. I want to know what you guys feel and what team are you on? Like, do you support Anisha? Do you support Theo? Who are you supporting? And I will be judging your opinions silently. And if you like this kind of videos where we talk about characters and how they behave and everything, this is a space. I am Anjali. Hi. If you seen this video for the first time or you seeing me in general on this YouTube for the first time, hi there. This is Intent Instincts where we talk about characters and we dissect their minds and their behaviors and discuss about what they did, why they did, mm, all of those sort of things. And if you like this kind of videos, please hit like, subscribe. It's P, and it would be really great for me to understand if you like anything, if you dislike anything in this video, so I'll be able to refine that goal. Yeah, pretty much that for this particular video. We'll meet in the next one. Until then, bye. Hi, Jen.